Κυρίες και κύριοι, καλησπέρα. We have a lovely sausage vegetable dish in the oven. You're going to love it. This is all the ingredients for this lovely dish. I'm not going to name them all because it's a lot. You'll find them at the bottom of the video. Let's begin with the garlic. Squish them, be careful you don't cut yourself, then chop them up into pieces and toss them in the baking pan. Now, let's grab the red onion, chop it in half, chop it lengthwise, and just chop it up into pieces and throw it in the pan. Basically, that's what we're going to be doing with all the ingredients, just chopping them up into nice pieces and tossing them in the pan. I already peeled and cut the front and the back off of the carrot and start slicing it into pieces. As soon as you're done, toss the carrot in the baking pan. Let's grab the red pepper now. Cut the end off, which we don't need. Open it up. Get rid of the seeds and that white stuff, which I'm not sure what it's called, but we don't need it. As soon as you're done, start cutting the red pepper into pieces and toss them in the baking pan. Let's do the potatoes now. I've already peeled the potatoes, so cut them lengthwise into strips and then into pieces. And soon as you're done cutting up the potatoes, toss them in the baking pan along with all the other vegetables. And now our last vegetable, cauliflower. Like all the other vegetables, chop up the cauliflower into pieces and toss it in the pan with the other vegetables. Now, you're going to need to squeeze a whole lemon on top of the vegetables. Now, let's add some regani. 2 really good pinches of regani. Salt and pepper now. 1 chicken cube, break it down with your fingers. You'll get a bit messy, but then wipe your fingers with a paper towel. Time to add the water, and then the white wine. And at last, olive oil. Give everything a really good mix. Make sure you preheat your oven to 200 degrees and let it cook for 40 minutes. Halfway through cooking, take the pan out of the oven and give everything a good mix again. Then put it back in the oven and carry on cooking. Now, for this recipe, choose your favorite sausage. I always put little cuts on my sausages. Not so they could cook quicker, just at the end when they're cooked, they'll look much nicer on the plate. After cooking your vegetables for 40 minutes, take them out of the oven, give them a really good mix, and now place the sausages on top of your vegetables. As soon as you're done with the sausages, place the baking pan back in the oven for another 20 minutes and then you're ready to serve. And like always, kalí σας όρεξη.